What's up, Wheelers? Jason at Carnage 4x4 Adventures here again. Today we have a two-door 2007 JK, which says Sahara. And I told the guy, oh, you got a Rubicon, nice, because I had already looked at it. And he's like, well, are all Saharas Rubicons? So it has a 44. It has lockers. It has a sway bar disconnect. I haven't looked for switches inside yet. Lockers in the rear. So I called dealer, guy that I know there, and asked him if it was what it was. It is a Sahara. It came with an open 30 in the front. So, don't know. This guy just bought this thing, so it's kind of weird. But so today we are going to put on a Falcon non-adjustable steering stabilizer and Teraflex HD tie rod drag link. I already took this apart and forgot, so I put it back together just so I could get it on video. So with this one, this new steering stabilizer, you put this bolt here, take that one out, and it mounts to this stud. So I'll show you the best way to take a strap bar. Cross your straps, one to the frame on one side, one to the axle, one to the frame on the other side, and the axle can't move side to side. Oh, I forgot to turn on the camera. So I just put this in. Showed you how to measure it, but the camera wasn't on. Basically, you take it and just do it while it's in here. Someday I'll get good at filming. But take your factory, measure from outside to inside, get close enough. Basically 41 15/16. So we're looking at 40 and 3/4 maybe. I don't know if I already said it because the camera's off, but you gotta grease this before you put in the tie rod, because once the tie rod is in, you cannot get to that zerk. Okay, on this particular one it says grease ball joints of your new Teraflex drag link, call it grease. And then install the dust covers. So we're going to install the steering stabilizer. So JKs have an 8-inch steer, left to right. And this is 8 inches here, it should be. 8 inches exactly, so we're straight. Wheels are exactly straight. So we bring this in forward and then measure where our clamp goes. And this is a better style steering stabilizer because it doesn't push one way. That's what the point of this. It's hard both ways, so it doesn't push you to the left like others. Almost 4 inches. Four inches. Size. This clamp came with this. We have this one here. Make sure they are the same. Got this digital torque wrench, quarter. So it says 15 foot-pounds, so we'll put this at 15. Run them in with this. Make sure these are loose first. We do make another one of these. It's the 2.2 instead of the 2.1, and it's 3-position adjustable, but it's $100 more. This one's already 300 and something bucks. Yeah. Great. Alright, good go. Oh no, we gotta tighten that. Check our toe. We're going to get alignment, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But we'll show you how to check toe. So we got a mark right here. You want to be level with the diff as much as possible. There's a mark there. And we'll just go off the inside of the tire. 57 1/4. Then you just take it, spin it back. Oh, you don't even need to spin that one. Spin this one back. Your mark is on the back. So 57 1/4, we're going to want 57 1/2 from the inside of the tire to mark. 57, so it's towed out. So when you have reverse threads on one and regular on the other, you just always go the same way, up to loosen on both sides. And now, like a dumbass, I put this on already. What a clown. Stay tuned, I'll take that off. So we'll set this toe. Bring it in, couple turns, see how that goes. Bring it back to our mark. There. It's 57, so I'm sure the rear is going to be 57.25 since it was 57 before. 57.25. Good to go. Now, just tighten these. I don't have my big ass wrenches here. They're home. So, use these. Boom. Okay, so I just got back from test drive, make sure everything was good. Everything is good. Toe's still set up good, so that is a JK Teraflex HD steering with a Falcon non-adjustable steering stabilizer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. See ya.